Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the gate. Make sure your watch is paired and wallet contains your park ticket or Genie Plus. Once done, open Wallet or the Disney app on your watch. Position the watch face toward the tap reader and hold steady until you feel the tap. If the gate needs the phone, quickly unlock iPhone and open the same pass. This gets you into the park fast. Make sure Apple Pay is configured so Lightning Lane purchases work without fumbling. Once inside, use the Disney app on your phone to secure Lightning Lane times, then allow those alerts to appear on your watch. You'll get tap-to-open boarding passes and countdowns. Use the watch to view wait times and maps quickly while walking. This saves checking your phone constantly. You can also ask Siri on the watch for directions or next available return times, which keeps your hands free and your pace efficient. Make sure notifications aren't silenced, so alert to close out, pay with a double press of the side button and select your card. You can also show passes for Photo Pass or Fast Pass at Ride Exit. Before leaving, sync activity and backup photos to free space. If a tap or pass doesn't work, don't panic. Open Wallet on your iPhone and show the pass, force restart the watch if needed, or remove and re-add the ticket/card. This usually fixes communication errors and gets you moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.